Welcome to my channel. UGC NET JRF English Unit 4, Non-Fiction, Essays, Biography, Autobiography Part A, Q120, Classical, Renaissance or Augustan Essays. Instructions 20 question multiple choice. Take your time to answer. Correct answer and explanation will follow. Comment your score. Q1. Who is considered the father of the essay? A. Francis Bacon. B. Michel de Montaigne. C. Joseph Addison. D. Samuel Johnson. Answer B. Michel de Montaigne. Explanation Montaigne 1533-1592, a French writer, first used the term essay to try, attempt. His essays, 1580, inspired Bacon's English essays. Question 2. Francis Bacon's essays were first published in A. 1597 B. 1600 C. 1612 D. 1625. Answer A. 1597. Explanation The first edition, 1597, had 10 essays. Later editions expanded to 38 essays, 1612, and finally 58 essays, 1625. Question 3. Bacon's style of writing essays is often described as A. Personal and intimate. B. Aphoristic and impersonal. C. Ornate and flowery. D. Stream of consciousness. Answer B. Aphoristic and impersonal. Explanation Bacon used short, striking sentences, aphorisms, like, reading maketh a full man. Unlike Montaigne's personal tone, Bacon is formal and practical. Question 4. Which essayist co-founded The Spectator magazine in 1711? A. Richard Steele. B. Joseph Addison. C. Samuel Johnson. D. Charles Lamb. Answer B. Joseph Addison. Explanation Addison, with Steele, started The Spectator, 1711. Its aim to enliven morality with wit, and to temper wit with morality. Question 5. Which work is considered the earliest collection of English essays? A. Of Studies. B. Essays by Bacon. C. The Spectator. D. Tatler. Answer B. Essays by Bacon, 1597. Explanation Though Montaigne began the essay form in France, Bacon brought it into English literature. Question 6. In Of Studies, Bacon divides studies into A. Delight, ornament, ability. B. Wisdom, knowledge, virtue. C. Logic, rhetoric, grammar. D. Memory, imagination, will. Answer A. Delight, ornament, ability. Explanation According to Bacon, studies delight in private life, ornament in discourse, and ability in judgment, business. Question 7. Who is known as the first English essayist? A. Addison. B. Bacon. C. Montaigne. D. Steele. Answer B. Bacon. Explanation Bacon is regarded as the first true essayist in English, though Montaigne originated the form. Question 8. Tatler was started in 1709 by A. Addison. B. Johnson. C. Steele. D. Pope. Answer C. Steele. Explanation Sir Richard Steele started the Tatler, 1709, to provide news jour essays. Later, he collaborated with Addison on The Spectator. Question 9. Which period is Addison and Steele's essay writing associated with? A. Elizabethan age. B. Restoration age. C. Augustan age. D. Romantic age. Answer C. Augustan age. Explanation The Augustan age, early 18th c. emphasized wit, satire, balance, and social criticism. Addison or Steele were leading moral essayists of this time. Question 10. Samuel Johnson's The Rambler was published in A. 1709-1711 B. 1749-1752 C. 1750-1752 D. 1760-1765. Answer C. 1750-1752. Explanation Johnson published the Rambler essays twice weekly. They were serious, moral, and reflective, unlike Addison's lighter tone. Question 11. Which work of Montaigne directly influenced Bacon's essays? A. Essays. B. The Augmentus. C. Novum Organum. D. Apology. Explanation Montaigne's essays, 1580, inspired Bacon. However, Bacon adapted the form into a terse, practical English style, less personal than Montaigne. Question 12. Studies serve for delight, for ornament, and for ability. This is from A. Bacon's of Friendship. B. Bacon's of Studies. C. Johnson's The Rambler. D. Addison's The Spectator. Answer B. Bacon's of Studies explanation, one of Bacon's most quoted aphorisms. This line shows his practical view of learning. Question 13. Which English essayist wrote a discourse concerning the mechanical operation of the spirit? A. Bacon. B. Swift. C. Addison. D. Steele. Answer B. Swift explanation. Jonathan Swift, satirist, author of Gulliver's Travels, often mocked contemporary religious, political practices through essays and pamphlets. Question 14. Who is called the father of English criticism for his preface to Shakespeare? A. Johnson. B. Dryden. C. Addison. D. Bacon. Answer B. Dryden explanation. Dryden's Essay of Dramatic Poesy, 1668, is considered the first great English work of literary criticism. Johnson came later. Question 15. Which essayist introduced the character of Sir Roger de Coverley? A. Steele. B. Addison. C. Swift. D. Lamb. Answer B. Addison explanation. In The Spectator, Addison created Sir Roger, a lovable country gentleman, an early example of character sketch in prose. Question 16. Johnson's The Lives of the Poets belongs to A. Biography. B. Essay collection. C. Criticism. D. Autobiography. Answer A. Biography explanation. Johnson wrote biographical and critical accounts of 52 poets, 1779–81, blending biography jod criticism. Question 17. The Spectator aims to enliven morality with wit and to temper wit with morality. Who said this? A. Steele. B. Addison. C. Johnson. D. Swift. Answer B. Addison explanation. Addison's vision for The Spectator was to make virtue fashionable through witty, readable essays. Question 18. Which of these is not a work of Francis Bacon? A. Novum Organum. B. Advancement of Learning. C. Essays. D. The Tatler. Answer D. The Tatler explanation. Bacon wrote the first three. Tatler, 1709, was Steele's creation. Question 19. Johnson's essays in the Rambler are mainly A. Satirical sketches. B. Philosophical and moral reflections. C. Romantic reveries. D. Political commentaries. Answer B. Philosophical and moral reflections. Explanation. Unlike Addison's conversational wit, Johnson's essays are serious, weighty, moralistic, addressing human nature and conduct. Question 20. Montaigne's essays were first published in A. 1572. B. 1580. C. 1600. D. 1612. Answer B. 1580. Explanation. Montaigne's essays, 1580, were personal, self-reflective, and conversational, laying the foundation for the modern essay form. Comment your score. So friends, this is complete part A, question 1 to 20 with full explanations. In the next video, we'll move to part B, question 21 to 40, romantic or Victorian essayists with the same detailed explanation style. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like and share my channel for the next parts of Unit -4 with more information and detailed explanations. The Ned Bard.